U Menteri Rangba Benrap Kejela Uba Preston Tensong Henne Kan Nyotari Urisa Ula Pentip Baka Jingtrai Kam Ya Khadop Entry Point Ho Umling Kanlong Halani Harin Khatsan Tarik Una Opera Mentau Snem Uba Preston Ula Pentip Ru Baka Jingtrai Ya Kane Entry Point Ho Umling Lamang Pisa Haduk Khatsan De Khan Rik Lutingka Ha Kajuk Opor Uba Preston Ula Pentip Ru Baka Entry Point Chung COVID-19 Kanlong Lang Na Kane Kejaka
Some confusion has taken place just because of one issue. The issue was originally, in fact, the sanction of I think 15 or 16 crores was accorded for construction of permanent and exit entry point at Umling site. But while doing so, land development has just started. Oh my gosh, land development has just started, and then after that land development started, again quite a number of rocks was ultimately located in this particular place, and it takes a lot of time to remove this rock in that place, means to make it plain. So ultimately we decided from the government side, okay, right now, because we found out that it's so urgent that we have entry point to Meghalaya. So ultimately, new sanction was given. It's about maybe 3 crores, where we converted right now into prefab structure, and this prefab structure will be completed. At least, I'm just telling you, we'll be able to make it operationalized from on or before 15 December. Let me repeat again. Entry points at Umling will be made operationalized on or before 15 December 2020. They have already submitted the plan, the estimate, the details, everything. So all facilities will be there, including the entry point of COVID-19. COVID-19 also will be shifted over there, and then entry point also will be set up over there. Contractor has already started, went ahead, already started the land development. As I said to you, land development, I think you must have seen it. Huge investment has been made, no doubt about it. But since we found out that the situation arises that we need to complete this entry point and also shifting of the present temporary entry point of COVID-19 that we set up in Benihan, found to be so urgent, so essential. So ultimately we said, okay, let us go ahead. We construct now a prefab structure. One is for entry point and number 2 is for the entry point of COVID-19.